In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Facebook from Chrome. So I'm starting here by opening Google Chrome on my computer, and once the browser is open, I'm going right up to the search bar at the top. From here, I'm typing in facebook.com and then pressing enter on the keyboard. That takes me straight to the Facebook website, and once the page finishes loading, I'm right on the login screen and ready to sign in. Now that I'm here, I can see the login fields in front of me. I'm clicking into the first field, and this is where I'm entering my email address. Just type in the email connected to your Facebook account and make sure it looks right before moving on. Once that's done, I'm going down to the password field and typing in my password there. I'm just entering it carefully so everything matches the account I want to access. At this point, both fields are filled in, so I'm taking a quick second to look over everything on the screen and make sure the details are in the right places. Once that looks good, I'm clicking the login button. Facebook will process the information, and if the email address and password are correct, it signs me straight into the account. That's it. You're now successfully logged in on Facebook. The whole thing is really simple once you see it done, because it's just a matter of opening Google Chrome, going to facebook.com, entering your email address, typing in your password and clicking login. If you're following along on your own screen, just go one part at a time and it should feel very easy. Open Google Chrome first, click the search bar and go to facebook.com. Once the Facebook login page appears, enter your email address in the first field and type your password in the second field. After that, click login and Facebook should open your account right away. There's nothing extra you need to set up for this, and you don't have to go through any other menu before signing in. Everything happens right there on the main Facebook login page from start to finish. So again, I'm opening Google Chrome, clicking the search bar, going to facebook.com, entering my email address, typing in my password, and then clicking login. Once that's done, I'm successfully logged in on Facebook and ready to use the account. That's exactly how to log in Facebook from Chrome, and once you've done it one time, it becomes a very quick thing to repeat anytime you want to sign in from your computer. It's a short process, very direct and easy to follow once you know what goes in each field and where to click next.